I'm just sharing an information with you. If you have a Kia Niro electric EV or a Kona EV, maybe even Ioniq, it seems at least in the first years of production there is a potential problem with it's a box with gears that transmits the power from the electric motor to the wells through the shafts. It's not a proper transmission, but it's still a box with gears and several bearings. There appears to be, at least to some owners, not all of them. There are owners who did very high miles without problems, and other owners that experience this video shows a car that has only 30,000 kilometers, which is about 20,000 miles, that already had a box, if you want a reduction box, that was whining, noisy, and they did need to replace and find a lot of play in the bearings. Now, again, this happens only to some people, and what appears to be the problem is oil contamination. This kind of reduction box keeps about 1 liter of oil. It's a small assembly. Again, it's not a large transmission like in gasoline cars. And it seems this oil gets contaminated with something. There is other YouTube videos that show, let me just turn off the sound. So this is on a car, EV car. This is that oil from the reduction box that has only about 5,000 miles on it. So very, very low miles, and the oil is very contaminated. Is this one. So you see how contaminated. Also, you notice perhaps this kind of shiny particles, very, very fine particles. So it's not all oil, it's really a mix of oil and particles. Now, obviously, Hyundai doesn't say anything about this. If you look in the owner's manual, it says replace this oil, which is about 1 liter, 1 quart, plus minus. Replace it only at 75,000 miles in severe condition. So there's no warning from Hyundai Kia or no early maintenance for this oil. However, like I said, if you just search on just Google up, so it's a reduction gearbox. Just Google up on this subject with maybe Kona EV, maybe Niro, and you will see there are a lot of topics on this. And you may not have been aware of the problem. Now, I'm going to link you in the comment section of this video. So again, this is not my videos, it's just sharing the information with you. It seems one of the things that you can do is to replace that oil very, very soon, even before 10,000 miles if you want, and maybe replace it more than once, even if it's not scheduled. Again, I'm going to link you this video in the comment section. Use the CC caption, follow the video. You'll see this is a shop that works on these EVs in Ukraine. You get a decent translation anyway. You will see right away when the guy is explaining about the very severe wear on bearings at only 30,000 kilometers, 20,000 miles. You will get a very, very, very good idea about what was going on this vehicle. I don't know, maybe these vehicles are being let's not say abused, but maybe I know some EV owners really drive their cars, at least the moments, pretty hard. I don't know if it's related to this or not. There may be a defect with a magnet that's inside this box that's supposed to capture these particles. There may be other issue. We don't really know at this point. And again, I'm repeating this, Hyundai it's obviously going to deny any issue. There are owners who didn't have a problem for 70,000 miles, while others had this problem very, very soon. And obviously Hyundai is going to just deny anything, and you may just run out of warranty. So it's up to you to do anything. Just inquire about the subject. I'm going to link you maybe these videos, just this kind of pages that I'm showing you here, and just be aware of this potential issue, at least with some of the owners. Just keep in touch with our forums. There is a forums that I frequent, and maybe I'm going to link you that forum too. Okay, so check the comment section and just be aware of this issue, and don't expect, I repeat, don't expect Hyundai to take responsibility for this. You know how this company is. The same thing with the engine problems. They did deny it until it wasn't no longer possible to deny it. So unless there are really a lot of cars affected by this issue, EV cars, I will never expect Hyundai to take any responsibility. Okay, check the comment section. Thanks for watching.